Yo guys, magpapatuka na naman tayo ng ating mga alagang kalapati guys. Ayan, gutom na gutom sila guys. Ayan guys, oops. Ayan guys, yung patuka nila guys, no. So yan, marami sila guys, no. Oh, may sirok dito guys. Ayan guys, nasira yung ating video guys. Yung ayan guys, so na black and white na lang guys. Ayan, wala pa tayong pambili ng cellphone guys. Ayan, ang dami na nila guys. Yan guys, yung nagaganda ang mga kalapati natin guys. Ayan guys, ibebenta natin to guys sa halagang 100,000 guys. Kung sinong gustong bumili guys, ayan, location po natin na Valencia City, Bukidnon guys. Ayan guys. Ayan guys, yung sinong gustong bumili ng ating mga Hummer video natin guys, ayan, bibenta natin sa murang halaga guys, ito lahat. So ayan, isubscribe ng ating YouTube channel guys. Ayan. Please like and share and comment. Ayan, napakagandang mga ibon natin guys.